Today I'm going to show you how you can run a WordPress website from your laptop. Hi, my name is Ed Thompson and I'm the host of Genealogy Website Builders. Now, why would you want to run a website from your laptop? Well, certainly not to create a website on the internet because your laptop gets turned off, you don't want that kind of traffic on your website, etc. So why would you want to do it? Well, in my case, I want to do it because I'm teaching a WordPress class and I want to be able to create and manage a WordPress website very easily, but I don't need it to be on the internet. I just need to be able to record it. Other reasons that you may consider running it locally is to test new versions of plugins, new versions of themes, new versions of code that you may be writing. If you are just simply a blogger, the reason you might want to do it is, well, because you're participating in a class or because you're trying to set up a website and you're not quite ready to put it out there and you don't want to be paying for hosting services until you are. So let's get started. If you look on my desktop, you'll see here I'm at localwp.com, and you can actually get this program for free for the Mac or the PC. I'm going to select here, download it for free. I want it for a Windows laptop. They want me to give some identifying information. That's okay. I don't necessarily want to give them my phone number. And now it will start to download the program. And once it's downloaded, I will install it like I would install any other program. This will give me a fresh install. On the box, it chooses where to store that information. Go ahead and install it. Local has been installed on my computer. Click Finish to close setup, and we'll go ahead and run the program. As soon as the program is up, you can see how easy it is to get a WordPress website up from scratch at the push of a button. I'm going to hit the plus button, create a new site, continue, advanced options. I can give it different paths about where I want it installed or different domain names. I'm just a WordPress blogger. I don't care about any of this stuff. Default is fine for all of this stuff. So I'm going to go back. Next, it's asking me for my site name. I'm just going to call it my site 21. I don't care about the advanced options, especially if I'm doing this just as a blogger. So I can continue, choose your environment. You can customize your environment. You can change the version of PHP that is being used. You can change the version of the database that's being used. I don't care about any of that. Defaults are absolutely what I want because that's most likely what's going to be at my service provider. You do want PHP 7 or higher, so that is good. I have to give a username for the admin account. I'm going to just say Edward. I have to give it a password. Let me see what advanced options it wants. Is this a multi-site? No, it's not. The email address I'm going to give it is my email address. And with those three pieces of information, we are set to go. It is provisioning the site on my laptop, adding WordPress to the web server just set up. And this is all the details about my website, the web server, the security it's using, the database, etc. I am going to go to my website. I now have a website running my site 21 at .local. That's on my laptop. And I can actually come in here and log into the dashboard at the press of a button. And boom, I now have a clean install of WordPress running on my laptop. See how easy that is? Thank you for joining us for this episode of the Genealogy Website Builders. If you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe. That really does help me out, and it lets me know which content is popular so that I know what kind of content to continue to create.